In the KStudio workflow, I move the content to the column in test. Knowing that I was invited by the author, I run the content. I chose to view one of the screens directly. I enter my modification request for the attention of the author directly into the content. I am the author. The red dot informs me that changes have been requested in one of the content. I visualize the modification request and make the correction. I move the content to the in correction column for final validation. As no change requests, I put the content in the done column. I chose the format of the deliverable for publishing.